i-share mo muna sa kanila or if you can share today, no? Yung format ng strategic planning natin para may idea sila para kung kasi baka magkaroon ng duplication eh. At saka yung sales conference, ano bang format nun? Yung operations, conference, ano yung format nun? Para may idea sila. Para like yung may sinasabi si Mike was for business planning, saan papasok? Di ba? Sa strat plan ba? O do we need a sales conference kung meron ng customer business planning o hindi na? Para may idea mo sila, share mo na muna ano yung format nito tatlo. Sige, padala ko sa email. Yeah, para mas kasi mahirap yung baka kasi hindi tayo one page yung ibang mga plans natin. May paano magiging format itong mga year-end ng activities na to.
Kasi yung from last year, I was able to attend yung strategic planning natin. So, as well as also where sales and operation came from. That is why we've been working on it. Not what we call is accumulate everything and then one to so, on a daily basis, we discuss ano ba talaga yung point back.
Yeah. Yung kasing sales conference last year, yung parang ginawa ni Nestor in two groups, one for business, one for yung kasi sales conference parang ang isang goal kasi niyan not just for presenting the plans, volume. Ang isang niya is para irara yung mga ahente natin.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's why I think maganda yung idea na yun nga mag-usap or mag-coordinate kayo ni Nel, no? Mga anong format. But definitely, we will have a sales conference.
Jolly Choppy. Yung kami Choppy, Jolly.
Actually, Sir Ron, yung wishlist mo, yun po yung maano po sa customer business planning. Each big account kasi will be presenting their own developmental plans. And then nandun din yung parang mga sales initiative activities that can be garnered in terms of how the sales will grow their accounts with their own initiative. Yun. Okay.
So then just send Nel para we can be together para kung ano yung magiging final natin dalawa sales and plan. Together with Mike. Yep, thank you.